Yeah, hello, Martin Baker here. I'm over in Fleet and I'm really excited to show you around this amazing garden renovation project. 2 rooms connected here, along with 2 other buildings and a gazebo. Lots of amazing brands. Stay tuned to see the overview of this amazing project. So we actually completed this building around about 2 years ago, but we've had some other works being done by other companies, and just really now excited to share with you that entire project. We'll do a more detailed video about the buildings next, but for now, here's an overview. A beautiful Roman pool by the Romans company. They're absolutely fantastic. 11 by 5 meter pool. Got this beautiful nature jungle Malaya mosaic tile, just 25mm size tiles, absolutely stunning, and it's worked lovely. It's been great working with them. They've done all of the paving around here as well. It's a lovely Italian porcelain. Inside around the back here is all the plant room, and there's a store, so all of the plant is integrated in that room. The 2 buildings, 2 6x5 rooms, one of the best kitted out gyms that we've ever done, and then a wellness suite here. So we've got steam rooms, sauna, showers, toilets, along with everything else. As I say, we'll do another detailed video of the buildings in a moment. And then look at all this beautiful paving running around here. The pool really does make the real big feature of this, and the garden's just lovely shapes. We've actually got all these different areas to work with. So along here we've got the Caribbean blinds gazebo, got the integrated blinds on 3 sides. Baker's actually installed that rear feature wall to have the outdoor TV on, and then of course the feature of the gazebo is this beautiful Grillo kitchen with the green egg, the ball barbecue, fridges for everything you would need all set in there. And then the client needed a bit of extra space for storage. We've also included a really large 4.8 by 3 meter building. We've got the 10-year spec on that, so no timber outside. So it's a really beautiful way of having zero maintenance and somewhere to hide everything away. And yeah, this space is just stunning. The outdoor TV I absolutely love. This is taking up a lot of the client's time, so they really enjoy that space. They've also got the pizza machine in there, the pizza oven that they love using as well. So this beautiful space is designed for the client to use over many years as he's entering his retirement phase, and he promises he'll use the gym and the other bits more. So yeah, look, beautiful project here. Another little shed in the corner there, 1.2 by 2.4, just for a couple of bits of storage, and this beautiful setting. Really proud to have worked with all these great companies. And yeah, so there you go. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next, which will show you the details of a custom-made sauna, steam room, and the perfect gym, and this fantastic linked corridor we've got here. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share what we do, and thank you.